Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Assistant Inspector General AIG Barim ke Meghalaya Police Ubaji ke Iangrai ha khatsau tarik urempang ulakam bekidan shibun kishieng Hapoh ke Tnat Pulit bala Pynlong Langkñia Bamsap et Miaw hikam Bamsap Hapoh ke Tnat habakran cikila pathai kubor menta kasingi hadin bala pelat jamin uba Iangrai ulakno bakal ba udang dan hakakti ki Pulit hadin bala kem la yurot ya ka hok long brio man brio jong bala ya thuru ba ula pha ka jing ujor shakayeng kasari halor kani habakno bakajing shakem jong ka de ka jing put politik uba Iangrai ulaong bakadan ka jing ma ka ban saja ya ka jing jong barki bahayeng asem.
This is highly political, all the highly political khaki vendetta. Coupled with there's some media house which have been sponsored by some political parties which are doing, and then that first and foremost, let me tell you how it started. It started with inquiry. You all know it came out in the newspaper. It started with inquiry, and during the inquiry, what happened? Even prior to the inquiry being completed, because law has to take its own course. They're scared that I might tamper with evidence. Who am I to tamper with all the high-level political people? I cannot tamper anything. They fail because you see the government official have to go through certain procedures, rules. They're going slowly, step by step. But what happened? They expose it, leak it out. Because why? They're afraid.
Uba Iangrai ulapin pau ke jing shania e ke yeng kasari, bawla ong bakumu officer Pulit kasi, ulala ban liat shibun ki AKA min ba udang shong hakashuki kumu EIG, berkene kala Pynlong ki babun bakin bishni
Fine, I'm only human. I might err somewhere. But why are they crucifying me like this? What about the other people?
Habapin pau bakadan ka kes kabala apos nam AA kabala sa pumpum ubay Iangrai ulaong bakani ka kes kadan ki kateng jong ki katu kaningot ki he ki han kabakin thup ye ki bala shong that badru ikiban sa shong that henday kim nuat man toked halor kani ka kes.
I am innocent in whatever cases registered against me until proven guilty by a competent court of law. I am the only corrupted person. Fine. If I am corrupt, let the law decide. I have full faith in the law. And I will, I don't mind to be hanged also if it's by constitution. For my rights, I will fight. If I have to die, I will die. But please do not touch my family.
Shushu uba Iangrai ulakno bakajing kem kalong shibenta kajing le de katu kat ni kibla don kati hakajing siat uba cherish to feel.
On the 2nd of November, the very first thing when I came to realize that they're going to raid my house. I have to hide. Because I'm scared that they do the same Cherister episode. Because the mastermind are the same. The mastermind. Understand? You might not shoot, I might not shoot, but the mastermind behind.
Kumanchipin kinmal akem ya uba Iangrai hak atarik unaiwing alhaja apuar halwa kajing kinwa pinon kambakla ya kapisa sorkar ya kabalamang na kabenta kajing te ya ka National Emergency Response System NERS Public Safety Answering Point PSAP Hasadar Police Station Complex Heshalong.
Hoi kepada TMC si Turki sentil Meghalaya bantuan. Hoi kepada TMC si Turki sentil Meghalaya bantingkai.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkelah kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkelah. Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkelah kisur ngin pensawa